Y'all, so y'all see in Sam's Club, seems like this is another between Sam's Club and Walmart, seems like it's home away from home. So I gotta get a couple things, so I said let me just go ahead and bring y'all with me, but I want to check on something real quick. Okay, y'all, if y'all watched one of the other vlogs that I did in Sam's Club, they had this River 2 Pro Power Station. What's that? Yeah, it's EcoFlow. For what was it? $3.99. Now it's back at regular price, $5.99. So I always check when I'm in here to see what's on sale, what is different or whatnot. But yeah, it is not on sale. Right now it's back up to $500, and like I showed y'all in the other one, it does come with 2 of the portable solar panels. So yeah, so and it is 800 watt. And I forget what it surged up to, but I think the one I have, oh no, it's the same one, just to get more panels. It surged up to 1600 watts. Yep. Okay, honey buns, I hope I'm not getting this music, but I need to get some cups. And so they have these yes, these good. Let me get these back here. They have these 160 count, they call them party cups, for $11.98. So I am getting a pack. Oh, they pretty too. They real pretty. Now why you looked at me like that? Because I said they was pretty. Y'all see how he be doing me? You see how he be doing me, y'all? What girl do not like pretty things? Okay? Huh? What girl don't like pretty things? I want to drink out some pretty cups. They cheap anyway. Okay, y'all, so next I need to get some more flushable wipes. They have the Cottonelle is $14.28 and the minimum mark is $12.68. Cottonelle you get $5.04, and the flushable wipe you get $5.40. So y'all already know which one I'm about to get, honey buzz. Well, I'm gonna have the mister reach back there and get a thing of the members mark flushable wipes. All right, y'all, so I'm looking for potato salad. The last couple times I came in here, I ain't seen the potato salad, okay? And that's what I'm looking for, is the potato salad. It used to be on this end cap, huh? Y'all, they went up on the prices. I had got dark cherries the other day. These Rainer cherries is $10.88, y'all. Oh my goodness. But I've been on my cherry thing. Well, I've been wanting cherries, eating cherries. Sweet red cherries. Oh, they $10.72, but they say they 3 pounds. You get 3 pounds for $10.72, or either 2 pounds for $10.88. So you know what I'm about to get, the 3 pound. Right off up in here, y'all. Gotta get more for your buck. More for your buck. Where it say dark sweet. Where it say sweet red. That's what it say. Either or. Yeah, these look a little bit. I got these last time. These look a little better. I make sure they 3 pounds. Yeah, they say 3 pounds on that box. Yeah, I'll pay it for this. Yep. All right, y'all, so I want to come over here and get something something sweet, you know, something sweet. We on our clean eating, but we getting something. They gonna grill out today or whatnot, so I don't want to be stuck doing a whole lot of stuff, because I got a lot of stuff I could be doing that I'm gonna need to be doing. So I don't want to be cooking a whole lot or whatnot. I was gonna get some corn on the cob, that's in the husk, but I think I'm gonna buy some frozen corn on the cob because it's easier to, I can just go and throw that in a pot or whatnot and boil it up. So yeah, so I'm just looking for something that is gonna be very easy to snack on for everybody, and just, you know, to have more of a relaxation. Okay, that's what I want to do, relax, and then, you know, slowly do what I got to do. All right, y'all, I think I'm just gonna get one of these gourmet cakes, okay, for everybody. And it's got 8 in here. This is enough because we're not trying to do a lot of sugar anyway. So yeah, y'all, look at this. They got PB&J wafer sticks, 12 count, strawberry filled little tray thingy with these little rolls with peanut butter. They make anything and make it look and seem enticing. And it's something you can actually do at home, y'all, because I was drawn to it. But that's what it's all about, right? Being drawn into it. That's how they make their sales. So I'm just looking, but that did catch my eye. I'm going down here because the mister is down here. I don't know what he's looking for. We did just pick up a water because I like to keep at least 18 cases, and that's what we have. I had to open one, so I got to put that one back or whatnot. The mister down here getting cup noodles, 24 pack for what? Oh, $10.98. Yep. Cause they be averaging like $1, so you get 10 for 10, but you getting what, 24 packs? Chicken cup noodles. Yep, that is a good deal. Look, they got the 24 pack for $6.98. Huh?
Only chicken flavor.
Maybe. Oh well, hold up. We ain't even red meat right now. So you want to buy
That's the flavor.
I know, but it's still. But yeah, they only got chicken flavor. Look at. Oh, look at this. The beanie weenies with the hot dog. Is it the hot dogs in here? Yeah, for $11.98.
You get one of each.
You get one of those, one of each. So look at this. This is a good staple right here to have. For emergency, and they small cans, so you won't overdo it. And that's $11.98 for 12. I came in here, my budget, I only budgeted for the stuff that I got. He's getting the noodle cup, so that's different, but I'm definitely gonna come back and get some of those once I do my budget for prepping. My budget is not for prepping today, so sticking to it. Oh, you went, he walked out. Yeah, 3 cans for $10.98. 3 of these little cans of corned beef. No, nope. Yeah, look and make sure that we're getting. Well, look at that. Hormel 2388 8-pack, 12-pack. But they, look how small those cans are, man. And it's a lot of salt. Ooh, wait a minute now. Ooh, that's still high. Well, it's roast beef. I would get it, but it's $15.78. But we supposed to be trying to leave the red meat. But I guess, you know, having that in the pantry would be good though, because I mean, you're gonna get a lot of protein. But $15.78 for a full pack of fully cooked roast beef. But I mean, really, how much you getting out of that can? Because a lot of stuff done limited. They have like literally limited the price. Chopped sea clams, $27.98, y'all. Let's see. Let's say 4.5 ounce kits. $7.78 for 5 of these tuna kits. Okay, so yeah, this the albacore tuna that did me okay. Having it, that's the, I guess, the type that y'all had told me. So that's what I've been getting.
Looking at that, but this is a 6-pack.
6-pack for $13.48. Well, at Walmart we get what size the cans are? 12.5. We get 4 packs for $8.97. So I think that may be good. 6-pack for $13.48 because you get a 4-pack. Well, let me see, 4-pack for 18.
That's $8.95. You paying $4 to $5 more for 2 cans.
For 2 cans.
When you can get $3 more, you can get 2 more cans buying 2 4-packs.
Oh, okay. Well, it'll be better to get it from here, I guess, then. 6-pack. Well, that's what I was trying. Oh.
You said better to get it from here.
Oh, okay. So better to get it from Walmart. All right. So, yeah. All right, y'all. So I need to grab a thing of gloves because we use these for everything. So I just get a thing of medium. That way everybody can wear them or whatnot. Because I can wear the small, but I can wear the mediums too. They got the alcohol is 2-pack. Yep, for $6.98. Because those big things is $3, almost $4 at Walmart for one. Total beat. Oh wow. Healthy energy. So they choose. Beet choose. Look at this, y'all. Apple cider vinegar. I guess like a vitamin, whatnot. But $13.38, y'all. Alright, y'all, we leaving out. Oh, y'all, it is so busy in there. So, y'all, today is the 4th of July. So, that Friday, 4th of July. So, everybody and their mama is out trying to get stuff, trying to do stuff, and all that good stuff. So, it was so busy. So busy in there. Oh my goodness, so busy. Whew, Lord, y'all. Oh my goodness, and it's hot too. It is hot. Oh my goodness, so hot, y'all. It's saying that it is 92 degrees. Yes it is, yes it is, yes it is. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this Sam's Club haul and walk through with me and the mister. There go the kiddos, they stayed in the cool AC. Kylie. Alright, now you gonna tell them bye? Since you was up in that Sam's Club bothering me?
Nobody bothering.
Yeah you was, yeah you was.
You were bothering me.
Y'all gonna say hey to everybody? We shall see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all please be safe. Still safe. Love y'all. Bye.